Within Ruby software, a line thickness can vary, but depending on the color will determine the laser's final reaction. I have some squares and circles with thick and thin lines in this example. As you can see, the thin black and red lines are 0.1 inches, and the thick black and red lines are 0.15 inches. The only difference is the color. When different thicknesses of lines are sent to the Prepare screen by selecting Create a Job, you may notice that the thick red lines will show thin again when sent to the Prepare screen. This is because the color red is seen as a cut path in the material's parameter, meaning no matter what the line thickness is set for, the laser will see this color as a cut path, showing it as a thin line in the Prepare screen. When this kind of file is sent to the laser to process, the black lines will engrave just like the original design. But since the red is a cut path, any thickness will show thin and simply cut the design with the laser because the parameter was set to cut red in this example.